Hi! Today, we're going to look at the top 5 fastest bikes in the world. Subscribe to the Fact You channel and be the first to watch our exciting videos. Number 5. Honda CBR 1100 X Blackbird. It is a revival bike that left its glorious past to make a better one. With some little tweaks to the previous one launched in 1996, it's back to its former glory, if not better. Packing a 1,137cc liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine, speed is at its beck and call. The higher the RPM, the smoother this bike can go. Hitting 0 to 60 in about 2.8 seconds, the Honda CBR 1100 XX Blackbird is a precision instrument meant for speed. What it may lack in ride quality, it makes up for in build and reliability. It hits the max power of 153 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. Number 4. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This one is another beast in the form of a bike. With a 998cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke inline-4 DOHC 16-valve engine, this thing can go fast, and we mean fast. Due to its speed, Kawasaki managed to install an electronic rider support suite. It has the Kawasaki TRaction Control, Kawasaki Intelligent anti-lock brake system, Kawasaki engine brake control, and Kawasaki launch control mode. These, apart from protection, keep the bike running smooth. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R hits 60 in a mere 2.5 seconds. Now, that is fast. The bike hits its max power of 197.3 brake horsepower at 11,000 RPM. Read more at beautifullife.info/automotive-design/10 world's fastest motorcycles. Number 3. MTT Turbine Superbike Y2K. This bike is one of the most powerful production motorcycles. This beauty features the Rolls-Royce 250 C18 turboshaft engine with a 2-speed semi-automatic transmission. This bike can get from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. That's probably the time you took to finish reading this sentence at the normal pace of reading. Go ahead, try it. The MTT Turbine Superbike Y2K hits its max power of 320 horsepower at 52,000 RPM. Number 2. Suzuki Hayabusa 248. It is a 4-cylinder, short-stroke DOHC 16-valve engine that truly lives up to its hype. The Suzuki dual-throttle valve ensures peak engine performance at all times. This bike gives you the leverage to tweak its settings to its optimal with the ride-by-wire system combined with the Suzuki Drive Mode selector. The Suzuki Hayabusa hits 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds, and its clutch assist system, i.e. the Suzuki clutch assist system, helps reduce back torque. It hits its max power of 197 horsepower at 6,750 RPM. And number 1. Dodge Tomahawk. Even cars have a hard time keeping up with such raw speed. This superbike carries within it an 8,277cc 10-valve 4-stroke engine that is simply a dream. The Dodge Tomahawk has 4 wheels and each of them has its own suspension. Also, this is the same engine found in the Dodge Viper, 8.3-liter V10 Dodge Viper SRT10. The transmission on this bike is a 2-speed manual tow shift and uses the traditional chain and sprocket system. The place that was supposed to house the headlights is actually a throttle intake, and the bike also has a cooling system placed behind the intake manifold. The Dodge Tomahawk has no rival to this day. However, due to its 4 wheels and a few other reasons, the bike isn't certified for illegal use in the USA. It can clock 0 to 60 somewhere in between 1.75 to 2.5 seconds and hits its max power of 500 horsepower at 5,600 RPM. Subscribe to the Fact You channel and watch more interesting and informative videos.